Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2011 Harley Davidson Dyna Wide Glide I want to show you. This is a pretty sweet bike, vivid black with a silver trim stripe on it, 21-inch front wheel, black powder coated rims. Front end looks real nice and clean. Paint looks real good on it. It's got an engine guard, forward mount foot controls. Got the flat track style bars on it. About a 6-inch riser, I think. Black powder coated riser. Real comfortable. Real nice grips on it too. Got a passenger backrest. Tire on the back's just looks like it's just new. Still see the knobs on it. We must have put that on in the shop. Got a set of Vance & Hines exhausts. Got a real nice sound to it. Bike's only got 7,572 miles. This one's super clean. It's got a 96-inch motor and a 6-speed transmission. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about this bike. It qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. We ran it through our shop and checked it out, and she is ready to ride. You see our complete inventory online at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade. We're selling ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.